In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format a flash disk. So my name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now the first thing you need to do is to plug your flash disk on your computer, and mine is here. It contains a Windows software, and if I go ahead and open it, you can see it has quite a number of files. Now to format this flash disk, just right click on it like this, and then from this list you can see we have an option to format. Go ahead and click on it, and then under format option select quick format, and once you're ready, go ahead and tap on start. Now you have to know that formatting will erase all the data on this disk. To format the disk, go ahead and click on OK, and then this will go ahead and wipe all the information that is on this flash disk. And now the formatting is complete. If you go ahead and tap on OK, now you can see the flash disk is empty. So that's how you format your flash disk using your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.